Best Nail Tech Chloe. We're here. We got Pride nails going. I'm gonna let y'all see the nails real quick.
Let's zoom in. Oh, she's fresh. Do you love them?
I love them so much. They are so fresh. We did a freestyle.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Chloe, aka Nail Fluff, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe. Hit that little notification bell. It makes a little bing when you hit it, so that way every time I post a new video, you're notified, because you don't want to miss out on this good tea, okay? So I literally just got my lashes done. I took off my mask, so I've been sitting down for about 2 hours. I was napping, listening to podcasts. It was so good. When I tell you, these lashes are a new obsession for me as a mom. I get alone time, I get nap time, and I wake up like this every day. So I'm lit. Period. So if you're not aware, it is June, which is my birthday month, but it's also Pride month, and I'm so excited. So today I have a very special client coming in, and I'm going to be doing a set of Pride freestyle nails. So freestyle nails are basically, I go crazy, I do what I want, I design all 10 of your nails, whatever I'm feeling for the day. So I know that we're going to keep it within the Pride theme, but we going crazy. I'm going in. So look, here's my little outfit today, just so you guys can check me out. Ooh, she's cute. Little messy hair vibes. I did casual today because I was getting my lashes done, so it's kind of like a self-care day slash I'm at work. So yeah, so my client should be here in a minute. I want to give you guys some clips. So I think I figured out how to set up my camera to finally show you guys how I do these nails. So I'm gonna get into these Pride nails. We're gonna take some shots afterwards, and we're just having a good time. I'm in the spirit, I'm feeling it, and it's Pride every freaking day for me, so it is what it is. But we're celebrating this month. We have a lot to go hard for, and let's get into it. So I'm excited. Make sure you subscribe before we get into these nails, okay? So happy Pride month, you guys, and I hope that you all get to celebrate and that everyone's happy and healthy and living good, okay? So my client will be here soon, and let's get into these nails. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna be real with you guys. I filmed basically the whole process, but I'm figuring out all of these steps when it comes to vlogging. So when it comes to uploading the videos and things like that, I was not able to get the actual art, the part where like the fun part, the Pride part is not going to be in this video. So here I give you guys a very up close look at how I apply the Gel X tips. So if you are a nail tech and you don't do Gel X, this was a great close-up look at how you apply the Gel X. If you're a consumer, if you're a client and you're interested in getting Gel X, this is the process. So her nails have already been prepped, cuticles have been cut, all of that, and now I'm just kind of going forward and applying all of her tips. So what I'm using this little lamp for is to flash cure that gel so the nail tips don't lift, and then once all 5 nails are applied, then that whole hand will go under the gel light for a full cure. So this is just like a really close-up look of how to apply Gel X. As you can see, she does have a little bit of base underneath. I care about the quality of my client's natural nails, and so the less filing you have to do, the better. If there's a little bit of base left on their nail before while I'm prepping and it's not lifting up, I go ahead and leave that on there. And it also adds to the strength of their nails. So yeah, this is the Gel X application. These tips here are actually a natural coffin shape, and they're in medium length. I'll go ahead and leave a link for everything down below so you guys can go ahead and shop those things. The lamp that I'm using is also from a cart. I do have a discount code for that as well, so I'll be sharing it. Thanks for watching.
Go out there, live your best prideful life.
What do you think about Pride month? Like, what do you think, what comes to your mind when you think of Pride?
When I think of Pride, I think of one, of course, I obviously think of like rainbows. I think of people being out there showing who they are unapologetically. I think of love, I think of freedom, and I think of just like glitter.
Yes! right? Happy vibes.
Exactly. Everything happy, all things happy. So for this month of Pride, go out there, be as loud, as boisterous, as flamboyant, as fucking
Yes, cuss girl, it's okay. You cuss.
be your fucking self. Be absolutely prideful. Because it's the beautiful month to show your colors, all of your colors.
Yeah. So I didn't film myself exiting the video, but I'll go ahead and end it here. Thanks you guys so much for watching. You see how we feel about Pride. I hope that you have a beautiful month of June. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's start talking in the comments. I love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.